gonna make our way to room 303. All right, so room 303 in the middle of the hallway, facing Powell Street, but this is not really accurate. It just faces another building. So we have, here are light switches here. We have light and fan. Let me give you a first impression of the room. Keep in mind, I've already been in here for a night. So you close the door. There is a deadbolt and lock. And there's the hallway. Here is the room. Turn on the fan, which is great. So I've been here for 2 days, but this is the one queen room. This is, I think, one of the largest rooms. Well, maybe not one of the largest, but this is the normal room. But look, we have a fan. Let's start with the room. This is the, now keep in mind, all these rooms are different. This is the heater. We see heater control. We have some lights here. So I'll shine this on this for a second. Heater control, you can control the heat through there. I believe this might be the only source of heat. But it never gets cold here and never gets hot here. So we have a spotlight, reading light. Queen bed, very, very comfortable. TV, coffee maker. We have a clock, radio, alarm clock, phone combination, which is kind of cool. Outlets at each of the bedsides. There's a small night table here. This seat, comfortable. These pillows were actually on the bed when I got here. Comfortable seat, it's clean, no worries there. Desk. Desk with 3 USBs and 2 power outlets, very good. Now, because this is an old building, you obviously can tell it's a little bit older, right? No, not made for central air or central AC. Outlets up there for the TV. There's a sprinkler. There's a fire alarm. You know, you can tell this door, the door was used, probably when it had one of those windows up there. No central AC. You do have an AC unit here. It's fine. This is how it works. Turn it on. Low, high. Control the temp. Yep, there's the compressor kicking on. So, and then you can combine that with the fan. Honestly, no issues. Older building, right? So there's the other building next door. They do have blackout curtains, which is good, but I'm obviously not keeping it open. If we look down here, I don't know if you can see it, but that's kind of what it looks like. There's the next building, the ground. But this is the city, so an old coax cable. Desk down here, like I said. We actually don't need this right now. I'm gonna turn this off. Recycling garbage. 2 power outlets down there. 2 power outlets down there. Connect to the light. Let's do nice TV hung up on the wall. Let's do this area. It's my favorite area. The closet. We have an overhead light, but first, touch mirror. Look at that. Let's turn both of these on. Large space here, a seat, nice counter. It's actual marble. Yeah. Hangers, ironing board, where my bag is, full mirror. Well, almost full. Nice space here. Honestly, this is a great room. It's just small. Bathroom, locked door, translucent glass. This is the bathroom. There is not much left to the imagination here. It's a nice bathroom. It's modern. The shower's great. Toilet is really low to the ground. You can kind of sit here and wash your hands at the same time. Medicine cabinet, which is cool. Thing here, you can put stuff here. This window actually opens. See that? You want air? Lotion and soap. Here's another power outlet and light switch. Door slides open. Shower head's a rainfall shower head if you want to be or not. Very high water pressure. Nice big shower. No complaints on the bathroom, honestly. It's a great bathroom. It's clean. I do have to commend the hotel. The room has been remarkably clean. You know, older places are kind of hard to keep clean. This is great. There's a K-cup maker too, you know? But anyway, what do you guys think of this room? I'll stay in the corner. What do you guys think of this room? Let me know.